So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to round image corners here on Visme. So once Visme's opened up, you have to add some photos to your design. So to do that, go to the left-hand side of your screen, press on the photos icon right here. Then if you want to select a photo, you can. You can upload a photo as well. How about I just search up New York City? Maybe something will come up with New York City. There you go. I'll take this photo right here of New York City, just like that. I'll make it a little bit larger so that's easier for you guys to see. Now, if you want to make the corners of this image round, because as of right now, it's just like a regular square, they're pointy. It's pretty straightforward. Press on the image right here, go to the top. There's a whole bunch of different options, right? You have edit, you have crop, frames, etc. I want you to go ahead and press on the frames option right here. And if you were to go to this option right here, this actually makes it into a frame with the corners. And if you want to apply it just like that, you can actually make the corners more rounded just by doing that, by putting it into a frame. So pretty straightforward, but I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.